This is our 3,000 pound P&H welding positioner. It has both power tilt, power rotation, and power elevation. It's got a 36-inch faceplate with 3 bolt-on jaws coming from the side. It's a mechanical machine, but runs well and is quiet, which you'll be able to hear. It's got a Reeves drive for variable speed for the chuck, for faceplate, sorry. Looking at it from this side. I'm going to bring it on for you now. First tilting. Power up. Power down. Rotating counterclockwise. Clockwise. Speeding it up. Slowing down. This is our 3,000 pound P&H welding positioner. Thank you for watching our video.